In order to refactor the dashboard example of Posit with the Tapyr template, we are going to use this parent folder, PyShiny apps. We are going to clone the PyShiny template from Epsilon into the PyShiny to Tapyr folder. Then, in order to get the Posit dashboard example, I'm going to install Shiny into a temporary Python environment. With this command, we will create the dashboard folder. We will not use the express option in order to have the UI and server separately. Before installing the dashboard requirements, I'm gonna create a new environment in the Tapyr folder. First of all, installing the Tapyr requirements. For each line in the dashboard requirements, I have to correctly use poetry add to install them in the Tapyr folder. Then I will open the Tapyr folder in VS Code. I want to have renamed the Tapyr template folder to app folder and all of its calls. You should probably do this before creating the virtual environment. Despite I am in the PyShiny to Tapyr folder, I have manually opened the app.py file from the dashboard folder. I will copy the UI part and the imports to the UI.py file from the PyShiny to Tapyr folder, which is located in app folder view root. From the original UI.py file from Tapyr, I will leave only the function name. I have opened the shared.py file from the dashboard folder. I will replace the contents of logicutils.py with the contents of shared.py. Now I have to update the call from shared to app folder logicutils. In Tapyr, styles.css is called in app.py, so I will remove it from the UI.py file. I will copy the contents of styles.css from the dashboard into style.css from Tapyr. Then I will remove calls from non-used variables. From the dashboard app file, I'm gonna copy the server part, except for the first line, and paste it into the server file of the Tapyr folder. Also, I'm gonna copy the imports and I'm gonna update share to app folder logic utils. Last, I'm gonna copy the tips file for simplicity into the logic folder. As a last step, we're gonna launch the app and open localhost 8000 in the browser.